So have you been woken up in the middle of the night by a loud pulsing beeping noise? Well, stay tuned. I got the lowdown for you. Hey, how you doing? I wanted to talk about this safety alert RV carbon monoxide and propane gas detector. So I just went through a whole bunch of trouble with this one, and so I just kind of wanted to share what I've learned through my process, and maybe that'll help somebody else. And so, but before I get started, let's talk about if you're in your camper and then this thing goes off, you need to get everybody out. Then get everybody out, assess the situation, and if it's safe, turn off your propane and even unplug your camper from the pedestal. And so that if you feel like it's safe to go inside your camper, go inside, open the windows, and see what the alarm actually is. You could be getting a red light, a green light, or you could be getting both lights. And so I'll go ahead and I'm going to read right from the manual what everything is. And so a normal operation is a steady green light. If it's a carbon monoxide alarm, that it'll beep and you'll get a steady red light. If it's the propane alarm, you'll get a constant beeping and it'll flash red. And then if you're getting an alternating red and green light, well, that means it has some kind of alarm malfunction. And if your red light is on and your green light is on and it's beeping, well, this is the end of life notification from the unit that it's time to get rid of it. And so mine. So you're supposed to replace these every 5 years. So mine has a date on the back of January 2022. Well, this was in my brand new 2023 camper. So I'm thinking that this is like not an end of service date, but like a date when it was produced. So I'm thinking you should have 5 years from this date. And I didn't get that. At this time, it is October in 2025. So I did buy a new one off Amazon, and it really wasn't that expensive. And I got it in a couple of days, and it really wasn't that hard to install. If you can use a drill and have a little bit of electrical knowledge, you could probably put this thing together. It's not that bad. And so, but one thing I did do, since thinking now I may have to replace this again, I thought I would put in these Wago connectors here. And this is just like a little wire connector. And the way that this works is you just stick it into the connector, and then that wire's in there pretty good. And then you would get, the other wire from the camper. You would make sure that your power's off to your camper, and if you do this and put that other wire in there, then those are in there. They're in there pretty solid. There's really not much of a current going into here, so it's pretty solid. And now with the next time when you have to replace this thing again, it's easier to remove. All you got to do is just flip this up, take it out, and get rid of it. Well, I hope you find this handy. I hope it helps you out, and we'll see you around.